Hey, you. Are you a software engineer interested to learn more about software and tech? Are you a software engineer trying to advance your tech career and increase your salary? Are you someone who wants to become a software engineer, but you're absolutely overwhelmed and just bored by the sheer amount of tech content out there? If the answer to any of those was a yes, then I suggest that you click on that subscribe button because you're gonna want to become a part of this community. Being part of this community means exposing yourself to software engineering journey lessons and advice I wish someone had shared with me when I was first starting out. It also means exposing yourself to very simple software concepts explanations, coding tutorials, interviews with interesting characters working in the most promising tech companies in the entire world, and last but not least, insight into how a software engineer based in Europe lives. My name is Ahmed Etefy. I'm a software engineer at Centra.io and I'm based in Vienna, Austria. I've been a software engineer for the past 6 years. I've worked in 9 different companies so far across 3 different countries. 3 of those companies are based in 2 different European cities, and in just the last 2 years before I finally landed my role in a Silicon Valley unicorn. And I was able to do all of that through just my software engineering career. So as you would imagine, I went through a lot of frustrations and pains along this journey and through the years as a software engineer. I honestly can't tell you how many times I've hoped that someone would have shared some lessons with me on how to deal with various obstacles that came my way instead of wasting so much time and effort in trying to figure out things on my own. Which is why I want to offer you the information and lessons so you don't have to go through my same journey mistakes and pitfalls, but so that you're able to circumvent them in your own journey. I always thought, like so many other people, that to become a good software engineer, you need to get some fancy college or university degree, or to go to some fancy coding bootcamp, or otherwise you won't be able to become a decent software engineer. But I soon came to realize that this is such an outdated school of thought. And I came to this realization as I started to notice that many of the best software engineers in the world are actually self-taught. And in this new age, this need to get formal education, whether it's through a bootcamp or a university, does not apply anymore, especially if what you seek is to become a software engineer. So hit that subscribe button to break free from that old school of thought, and welcome to this community. I will see you soon, my friend. Peace.